Hi, welcome back. So you're ready to get started on your adventure to become mobile application programmers? Good. So let's get started by preparing our desktop or laptop computer with the necessary tools for you to program. Depending on what you've done in the past, you may already have some of these tools, but I'm going to assume that you don't, so I'm going to start from scratch. The first thing we need to do is get Java Developer Kit installed on your machine, JDK, and then we're going to jump into installing the Android Software Development Kit, or SDK. Then we need to get a copy of the Eclipse Integrated Development Environment, or IDE, and finally we need to install an Android Development Toolkit plugin into your Eclipse IDE. So those would be the 4 steps we need to do before we start throwing any code. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, we are on the Oracle portal on the Java Downloads section. So the first thing you need to do is get a copy of the Java Platform JDK as of October 2012. The latest release would be Java JDK 1.7 Update 9. So go ahead and grab a copy of it. Oracle requires us to accept their license agreement. But before you do, you need to make a decision on what installer you need. So if you're running on a Linux box, say Red Hat, Ubuntu, CentOS, you may want to experiment with the Linux x86 installers. If you're in a Mac OS machine, of course, you need to get a copy of the DMG image. And if you are in a Windows 7 machine like I am, you will have to decide between the Windows x86 and x64. For the most part, for this course, the x86 32-bit version will do. So we're going to go ahead and select it. Like I said before, we need to accept their license agreement, so we'll do that. And now we're going to download the installer. Almost done. So once the installer downloads, all you need to do, of course, is click on it and get it to work like this. Now in my case, I already have Java installed, so this pop-up may not show in your machine. So I'm going to reinstall it just for demo purposes. And this is a wizard, so this is a no-brainer. All you need to do is follow the wizard and you'll be done in a few moments. There you go. So just follow the steps, don't change anything. Defaults will do fine for you. And once you get done, you may want to test your Java installation by going to the command line shell and typing the Java compiler command and the Java class loader, the Java command, to see if they are installed properly. If they are not, you may want to go and look at another of our videos for the course in which we teach you how to configure the machine on the control panel and environment variables. But for now, all we need to do is get our copy ready, and everything we do from now on will run on top of a virtual machine in Java. So for this video, that's all. Try it out and see what happens, and remember, if you have any questions, you are always free to contact me for questions. Good luck!